Hello guys, welcome back to Packages Compare. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Google Pixel G10 versus Google Pixel 6, and find out which one is best for you. So let's see the full video. Display comparison, display type, display size, resolution, PPI density, always on display, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, display quality, display protection, storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, storage type, card slot, design comparison, body weight, body dimension, water resistant, SIM slot, body colors, body front side, body back side, body frame, platform comparison, has chipset, has processor, graphic processor, operating system, rear camera comparison, rear camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, rear third camera megapixel, has flash, has HDR photo, has video records, selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel, has HDR camera, has video records, connectivity comparison, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, has GPS, has GLONASS, Galileo and GNSS, QZSS and BDS, has NFC, infrared port, has radio, USB connectivity, battery comparison, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensor comparison, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity, barometer, sound comparison, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, features comparison, 5G support, has LTE, has announcement, price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Packages compare.